orange and sounds like a parrot. A carrot. Do you like my stupid bird jokes? Giz, can you turn around?
Why?
Because I want to see your handsome grey face.
Turn my back.
I love you. Ooh. What's so funny? Bad Giz. What you gonna do?
Mom beats me.
No, she doesn't. What does she do? Mom loves me.
Let the birds out. Chirp.
Chirp, chirp, chirp. Yay! Sing it loud.
Life, and they own 3 cats, and they were able to evacuate safely. But just now in K-Town, we're watching and learning that the home that they had lived in for more than 10 years right there on East Calaveras Street is destroyed.
This point of view. I mean, if there was like Chinese or Russian military bases in our country, and we knew that like they're the real boss, you know what I mean? Like, it's not, let's get real. America is not like on par with the Saudi government.